Gatho ni undu wa gucoka muthoni wa Kirumba na Honorable Moses Kuria ni matiga andu na miario mingi muno oriri president wa hau kabere Uhuru Kenyatta anikite bururi uyu wa Kenya na maria marathie na mbere gatagati wake na bururi wa America. Muthoni wa Kirumba na Honorable Moses Kuria ni mahoreria a Kenya makiria aya makoretwo na wagagu guku social media ni undu wa gutwika ati ni makuingatwo kuria USA wona makorwo makionekana matire na maratathi. Former President Uhuru Kenyatta akorwo akiaria ici ciĩgiĩ president wa kuria America kuhereria Kenya uteithio wa dawa cia ARVs. President Uhuru Kenyatta akionekana tarakorwo agitikira na uria Trump aragika. Moses Kuria akiaria na muthoni wa Kirumba era Kenya aria mari kuria America na aria makoretwo na wagagu guku social media ati ni magukorwo makiingatwo bururi-ini ucio matige gukorwo na heho.
Na we advisor wa munene murabangira andu itu aria mekugua atia
pero mwana muci arenda tegagwo macokera muci
home east or west, home is best.
kaini tukuite ndatu guku.
Hey, you don't pay taxes in America. He is appealing to his people. Shauri yenu bwana. This is a wake-up call for you to say, okay, what are we going to do to help ourselves? Instead of crying, tujiulize, what are we going to do? Haya ametoa hiyo pesa, sasa tutafanya namna gani jameni? What are we going to do?